Good morning. In that opportunity, I would like to talk about consonant clusters. But first, I would like to separate the word consonant and clusters. Okay, what is a consonant? Well, a consonant is basically the sound where your tongue or your mouth stops or slow down the air in some way. Contrast with the vowels that they are not stopping the air at all. Now, what is clusters? Cluster is basically when you got one group, it can be two, and you put together. You jump together, and you got the clusters. So now for you is easier to understand the concept or the definition about consonant clusters. So I will give you some examples because you can find consonant clusters at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the words. And I will show you something like, so we can see word initial clusters. For example, in play, pray, cry, drive, view. And also we got in the middle in words like camping, reply, windy, extra, and movement. In that particular is an example of Elysium because we got the letter E, but we don't pronounce that. So this is why it's a consonant cluster, because we say movement. So we got the V and M in the word description and import. Also, we can find two consonants, or can be three consonants at the same time. And we got word final clusters at the end in words like slept, taps, cups, rent, dent, and bench. So as you can see, that's the groups or consonants that we can find in a word. So that's all for today. I hope that you can learn a little bit more now. So just thank you.